Hey guys, your friend Lulu La Vida here. Today we have a delicious recipe that I'm refining. This is the second time I'm making it. It's called Crema de Chile Poblano, and I added some hashed peppers as well. Here are the ingredients. We have garlic, corn half and half, corn tortillas, chicken broth, and onion, and of course our chiles, which is the main ingredient. We're gonna go ahead and fry our tortilla strips. So this is part of the garnish, but also once the hot chiles have been charred and roasted, we go ahead and remove the skin and the seeds. We saute this with a little bit of oil, your onions, your peppers, garlic, corn, powdered garlic, because I love garlic, pepper, and salt. And all this is to taste. You go ahead and blend all these ingredients, and it smells so delicious. See, these are our garnishes, our tortilla strips. You put them aside so they can soak all that moisture on your napkin. You go ahead and add your ingredients to a blender. You add your chicken broth. You go ahead and add seasoning to this, a little bit of seasoning as well. Always season as you go, layers of seasoning. And this is you go ahead and blend it. And look, that's consistency. What we're looking for, we add our crema, our half and half, and it's ready. It is so silky and it's so delicious. But you know what? We're going to go ahead and add it to an olla with a little bit of oil. We add the cilantro, dry cilantro, because you don't want to be the fresh. You want to change the consistency of the crema. You want it to be like this. See, it's silky. We add our garnishes, which is our corn tortilla strips. I did roasted a little bit of the corn, and it's ready. Just enjoy. It is creamy. It's not that hot like my first one. I think I exceeded myself, and I love this recipe. I hope you